Welcome back to the AI Insider podcast, your go-to source for the most exciting weekly trending AI and data science news, practical step-by-step tutorials, and the hottest AI tools shaking up the tech world. I'm your host, Dr. Onoja, and today, we're diving into a blockbuster roundup of AI breakthroughs that are redefining how we create, collaborate, and conquer our daily lives. If you're obsessed with artificial intelligence like I am, you're in for a treat. We'll cover everything from personalized AI assistants to mind-blowing video generators, all optimized to supercharge your productivity and creativity. Stick around till the end for a teaser on our next tutorial episode. Let's jump right in. First up, OpenAI is leveling up your mornings with ChatGPT Pulse, a game-changer for pro users that's like having a personal researcher on speed dial. Imagine waking up to 5 to 10 customized cards delivered straight to your inbox or app, packed with overnight research news, meeting prep, and your top daily priorities. It pulls from your chat history to make it all hyper-personalized. No more scrambling for info, this AI does the heavy lifting while you sleep. If you're a busy professional chasing that edge in AI productivity tools, ChatGPT Pulse could be your new secret weapon. Who's ready to ditch the morning chaos? Shifting gears to visual creativity, Google just unveiled Mixboard, an experimental AI-powered mood board tool that's basically Pinterest on steroids. Powered by their nano banana tech, it lets you generate stunning visuals from simple text prompts, then remix and edit them with natural language commands. Think, make this board more vibrant with sunset vibes, and boom, it's done. Perfect for designers, marketers, or anyone brainstorming ideas. In a world where visual content reigns supreme, Mixboard is set to explode as one of the hottest AI tools for creative workflows. Have you tried mood boarding with AI yet? This might be your sign. Now, for all you music lovers and creators out there, Suno is dropping V5, boldly claiming it's the world's best music model. And with clearer audio, natural-sounding vocals, and a whopping 1,293 score on ELO benchmarks, they might just be right. Pro subscribers get exclusive access, plus the new Suno Studio Audio workstation to compose like a pro. Whether you're remixing tracks or generating original tunes, this upgrade is a must-know in trending AI news for the music industry. Picture crafting hit songs in minutes, Suno V5 is turning amateurs into audio wizards. Speaking of automation magic, Factory has unleashed Droids, their AI agents that just crushed the terminal bench leaderboard with 58.75% accuracy on coding tasks. Fresh off a $50 million Series B funding round, this platform lets developers delegate entire features, debugging sessions, and even incident responses right from any IDE. It's like having a tireless coding sidekick. For software engineers hunting practical AI tools, Droids could slash your workload in half. Trending AI news like this shows how agents are the future of DevOps, exciting times ahead. Meta's not sitting idle either. They've launched Vibes, a short-form AI video feed that's all about synthetic content creation and remixing. Partnering with powerhouses like Midjourney and Black Forest Labs, users can generate wild, purely AI-made videos in a TikTok-style scroll. No cameras needed, just your imagination. This is huge for content creators exploring generative AI trends. If you're into viral videos or social media hacks, Vibes is one of those hottest AI tools that'll keep your feed fresh and futuristic. Over in productivity land, Perplexity is rolling out their email assistant for Mac subscribers, and it's an inbox revolution. This AI learns your writing style to automate management, draft replies, and even handle scheduling by getting CC'd on threads. Say goodbye to email overload and hello to seamless coordination. In our fast-paced world, tools like this are gold for entrepreneurs and teams. If you're drowning in emails, this trending AI news might just save your sanity. Step-by-step integration tutorials coming soon on the channel. On the global front, Alibaba is making waves with Qwen 3 Air Max, a beast of a model boasting over 1 trillion parameters, alongside Qwen 3 at Omni for multimodal mastery. The open-source Omni handles text, images, audio, and video with real-time speech output, making it a powerhouse for developers building cross-media apps. Whether you're into AI research or practical implementations, This is top-tier trending AI news from Asia that's pushing boundaries worldwide. And Alibaba isn't stopping there. They've upgraded to WAN 2.5, their video generation model now with native audio support. Faster and cheaper than competitors like VO3, it cranks out 10-second clips complete with synchronized voiceovers and lip sync in a single pass. Ideal for marketers, educators, or anyone needing quick, high-quality videos. This hottest AI tool is a game-changer for content production. Expect some killer tutorials on leveraging it in our next episode. Phew, what a whirlwind of AI innovation! From OpenAI's ChatGPT Pulse to Alibaba's WAN 2.5, these updates prove we're in the golden age of artificial intelligence. If you loved this weekly trending AI news roundup, hit that subscribe button, drop a review, and share with your tech-savvy friends. Next time, we'll break down a step-by-step tutorial on integrating AI agents like Droids into your workflow, plus spotlights on more hottest AI tools. What's your favorite from today's list? Let me know in the comments or on socials. Until next week, keep innovating. This is Dr. Onoja signing off from AI Insider. Stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for listening. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content like this. See you next time.